I've been using Freepik Premium and Envato Elements for the last 2 years. And today I'm going to tell you which one is better, which one is worth your money, and why you should pick one over the other. We'll compare them based on things like stock quality, photos, videos, etc., the templates they offer, what one has that the other doesn't, plus generative AI features and more. So let's dive in. Pricing and plans. Freepik offers 4 subscription tiers: Essential, Premium, Premium Plus, and Pro. Essential costs €5. Premium is €10, Premium Plus is €22, and the Pro plan is €143. They also have an enterprise plan, but you need to contact them for custom pricing. These rates are if you pay annually. Monthly plans cost a bit more. One important note: with the Essential plan you can't download premium stock content. But Premium Plus gives you perks like unlimited AI video generations on certain models. And a nice bonus: Freepik Premium also includes access to Flaticon, their massive icon library. Envato Elements, on the other hand, has 3 options: Individual, which costs €14.50 per month, the team plan, which is €32.75 per month, and the enterprise plan, which has custom pricing. And right now, no matter which plan you choose, Envato offers unlimited AI video generations. Download limits. Both Freepik and Envato Elements claim to offer unlimited downloads, but here's the truth. On Freepik, you're capped at 100 downloads per day. On Envato Elements, I once downloaded hundreds of assets before they stopped me for the day. The next day, though, my download limit was reset and I could continue. Content categories. Both platforms give you stock photos, videos, fonts, music and sound effects, 3D assets, motion graphics, and video templates. But here's the key difference. Envato Elements also offers WordPress themes, CMS templates, and web templates. Freepik doesn't have this, at least not yet. Generative AI. Now let's talk about AI. Both platforms have it, but they work differently. On Freepik there are tons of AI models, honestly maybe too many. Sometimes I just leave it on auto because it's overwhelming. You can generate both images and videos, but each generation costs credits. On Envato Elements, video generations are unlimited on any plan. On Freepik, that's only possible if you're on Premium Plus or higher, and even then only with certain AI models. When it comes to voiceovers, Freepik actually pulls ahead. You get lots of voices to choose from, and in the paid plans, you're not limited by characters or words. Envato, by contrast, restricts the number of characters you can use, and the voice variety is smaller. And for Nano Banana, both platforms have it. Unlimited on Envato, but credit based on Freepik. So, which one should you choose? Honestly, if you've got the budget, both. But if you know you don't need WordPress themes or web templates, Freepik will do the job. It's even better for stock photos and vectors. If you're building websites with WordPress and need template kits, Envato Elements is the smarter choice. And if you don't want the headache of managing credits, Envato is also better for AI generation, even though it's a bit more limited in some areas. So there isn't one universal winner. It really depends on your needs and your budget. If you want more tips, tricks, and honest reviews about design tools, make sure to sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the video description below.